Hey guys, Pest and Lawn Ginja here. Today's subject is going to be vinyl fence iron staining. A lot of you guys don't know what kind of fertilizer to buy. You get suckered into buying the cheap stuff and you end up with staining. It's not as easy as it seems to get off. I've got a couple of really good steps to get it off, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Make sure you watch the entire video, because just because I tell you what to use doesn't mean it's going to work. We have a little bit of a process here. So here we go. You're probably wondering why the Lysol is there. The power of Lysol. If you look at it, Lysol contains hydrochloric acid at 90%. And it actually has an adverse reaction to iron, which is what we're looking for. You probably wouldn't guess it, but it's a toilet bowl cleaner and it works really well. I like this product at the 10 times cleaning power, and I'll post a link in my video so you guys have it. The latex gloves is for you girls out there that need to protect your beautiful hands to make sure that hydrochloric acid doesn't get through them. And trust me when I say this, I'm one of those girls, so don't worry if it offends you, I'm sorry. So you can see along the bottom of the fence line, the staining is pretty extensive in parts, and we know this is going to come down to iron staining just because of the way that you can see the water droplets and whatnot. Stage one is pretty simple. What we're going to do is take a bucket with 1.5 gallons of water and 28 ounces of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, which, just to give you a friendly reminder, is hydrochloric acid at 90.5%. So we're just going to give this a pre-wash, and as you can see, it starts coming off pretty good. We'll wash this section here real quick, and you can see it'll start to come off. Now, after we do this pre-wash, you're going to want to give it about 10 minutes, because we want that hydrochloric acid to do the work. We're not pushing really hard, but you want to make sure that you get it on there nice and evenly. We're not really pushing too hard into the fence. We don't want to scratch the fence. We don't want to cause additional damages, but you can see that the top layers of the iron start to come off pretty nicely. All right, guys, we're to step two. I've just taken that Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and I've put it in a spray bottle, and I've got my scrub brush. What we're going to do is we're going to saturate the area now that we've done the pre-rinse. The pre-rinse is just kind of break up some of the dust that's on it so we can get to the iron on the stains. I'm going to spray this pretty liberally, as long as I don't fall down first. I want the Lysol solution to do the work. So if you follow me, what I'm doing is I'm just going to put it down first, and I'll usually do a couple sections at a time just to make this go quick. I think it's important, I know I've said this before, we want the solution to do the work for us, so that way we're not pounding. So I don't mind if these two sections where I'm at, they're going to sit for about 5-10 minutes at a time. Now, you're going to want to test an area before you do this completely, because we want to make sure that it's not going to be discoloring. Now, I've done a couple other sections before we started filming this, so we know we're not going to discolor. So step number two is we're going to let this sit. Now, I'm going to go back to the place that I started, and I'm going to lightly scrub this and get some of that iron off. But this is a great way just to clean vinyl in general as well. So I do this little secret. I discovered it in the shower, getting the hard water off of the glass. You can do this to a wood fence as well. We learned our lesson though. The second step is kind of important, because wood fences are porous. They're going to suck in a lot of the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and it will turn it blue if you leave it for too long. So you only want to do the pre-rinse for about 10 minutes instead of just leaving it there indefinitely, and then rinse it off. But this is step two, and after this we're going to rinse. You can use a garden hose for the rinse, or you can use a power washer. In our instance, we're going for time, so we're going to rinse it off with a power sprayer at a light setting. All right, guys, the rinse is complete. It's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results here. As you can see, the stain's gone. I got a little bit of hard water damage here. I can hit it again, but for the most part, I'm really happy with how this turned out. This is the exact same place that I showed you before. We just did that 3-step process. It works, it's a little timely. I'm pretty happy with it. All right, guys, you know anybody with a stained fence, send them my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like what I do, because I'm gonna stop making these videos if you don't. We'll see you next time. Bye.